If you want better control over the products you advertise on platforms like Google, Microsoft, and Meta, custom labels can help. Custom labels help you segment products that appear in multiple product types into a single campaign. Why use custom labels? Let's say you're preparing for a summer sale. You want to advertise summer clothing across multiple brands and product types. Instead of manually selecting products, you can create a custom label for all summer-related items. This label can then be used in Google and Microsoft PMax campaigns, Meta, and other ad platforms. Here are some other common ways advertisers use custom labels. In-store-only products. Use a custom label for a hyperlocal campaign. Online-only products. Include these in a nationwide campaign. High-margin versus low-margin products. For example, bulk warehouse items may have a 70% margin, while drop-shipped products might only have 10%. Labeling them separately lets you run different campaigns with different budgets and goals. How to use custom labels in FeedOps. FeedOps makes it easy to apply custom labels in two ways. 1. The bulk editor, perfect for one-time updates. 2. Feed rules, ideal for automating changes when new products meet certain conditions. A simple rule to follow: if products will move in and out of a custom label over time, use a feed rule. Using the bulk editor. If you can identify products based on existing data, use the bulk editor. 1. Filter your products. For example, find items with shorts, skirt, cotton, or sleeveless in the title. 2. Apply a custom label. Select all matching products and create a custom label. 3. Name your label. For this example, let's call it Summer Collection. Click Save to confirm your edits and update the selected products. Using feed rules. If new products will be added over time that match the criteria, set up a feed rule. 1. Define the condition. Example, title contains shorts, skirt, cotton, or sleeveless. 2. Choose the action. Apply a custom label. 3. Set the value. Name it Summer Collection. Now, click Save as Draft. Once you are satisfied with your feed rule, click Apply. Now, anytime a new product meets this condition, the custom label will be automatically applied. Check using Metafields for more advanced labeling. Some products may not be easy to identify with filters. In this case, you can use Metafields in your e-commerce platform. FeedOps supports up to 10 Metafields, which are hidden from customers but available for optimization. For example, if you want to tag dropship products, 1. Assign a Metafield to all dropship items in your e-commerce backend. 2. In feed rules, set the condition to match that Metafield. 3. Set the action to custom label value equals dropship items. You can also do this manually in the product editor. 1. Filter by Metafield. 2. Select the products. 3. Apply the custom label. Custom labels give you full control over how your products are segmented and advertised across different platforms. Whether you use bulk edits, feed rules, or Metafields, FeedOps makes it simple to organize your product feed for better performance. Head to feedops.com to learn more and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce strategy today.